Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Alys Beach is a planned community located in Walton County, Florida, along the Gulf of Mexico. It is situated on County Road 30A, a scenic highway known for its picturesque coastal towns. The community spans approximately 160 acres and is recognized for its distinctive white architecture and meticulous urban planning. The modern history of Alys Beach began in the 1970s when the Stevens family purchased the land. They named the area after Alice Robinson Stevens, the wife of family patriarch Elton B. Stevens. Development commenced in the early 2000s, with the community officially opening in 2004. The design of Alys Beach draws inspiration from various architectural styles, including Moorish, Mediterranean, and Bermudian influences. The community features whitewashed buildings, courtyards, fountains, and pools, creating a serene and cohesive aesthetic. This design approach is part of the new urbanism movement, which emphasizes walkable, mixed-use communities. Alys Beach has been recognized for its architectural beauty and design excellence. In 2022, Architectural Digest ranked it as the third most beautiful small town in America, highlighting its whitewashed buildings and Bermuda-style architecture. Overall, Alys Beach stands as a testament to thoughtful planning and design, offering a unique blend of natural beauty, architectural elegance, and community-focused living along Florida's Gulf Coast.